3 things to never do with marble floors if you want them to stay luxurious. Hey everyone, if you have marble flooring at home or you're planning to install it, then this video is very important for you. Marble looks premium, elegant and luxurious, but only if you maintain it the right way. So today, we're talking about 3 things you should never do with marble floors. Don't use acidic cleaners. Marble is a natural stone and contains calcium carbonate. If you use bleach, toilet cleaners, vinegar, lemon-based solutions, or any acidic floor liquids, it will react and etch the surface. This leads to dull, rough patches that are very difficult to restore. Always use pH-neutral marble cleaners only. Don't drag furniture. Dragging furniture directly on marble floors can cause scratches and micro cracks. These scratches make the floor look old and dull over time. Solution: always use furniture felt pads, wheels, or lift the furniture instead of dragging it. Don't let water sit for long. Marble is porous by nature. If water or any liquid is left standing for too long, it can penetrate and cause stains. This is even worse with coffee, wine, turmeric, or oil. Make it a habit to wipe spills immediately and keep the floor dry. So these were the top 3 things you must avoid to keep your marble floors shiny, beautiful, and long-lasting. If you want more home improvement and interior tips, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.